G35. It's my old twin. Oh, that's hella dealerships. Oh, hold on. That's like my old car, but like with a nice body kit on it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I have not seen that. Alright, that's what I want next. A Supra. I'm telling you, that Supra's been there every time. I come down this road from work, I see that Supra there. I'm telling you, like, God's telling me, like, look, this is what I got for you next. I hope. I hope that's what's next. I feel like you should always put God first, and then everything else should fall in place. Not perfect, but you know, we try as humans. I'm not trying to sound like a woke person, but I feel like it's like genuine, like truth. I'm not gonna tell you like, I'm not gonna tell you eat salads for the rest of your life, and you're gonna hear the stars talking to you. No, I'm not telling you that, but you know, I feel like, you know, you put God first, and everything else should fall in place. It's such a controversial topic, like religion and belief. Everybody believes in something different. I'm not shaming. I can't talk bad on nobody. You know, I can't shame another person because of their religion. Because then, does that make me any better? No. IS300, clean. Oh man, it's 350. I got out of work at 3:30. I'm not gonna get home until like maybe 4. No, we could probably speed the process up a little bit. I just bought some stuff for my car. I bought a catch can, and I got an aluminum oil pan. It's not, they're boring stuff. There's nothing like, people are like, ooh, you got that for your car? No, yeah, but this is more of like preventative maintenance, like type of parts, like just to prevent the car, you know, it's to keep the car healthy. I know I said I was gonna get that tent. I haven't gotten that tent. Now everybody's still staring at me, but you know, I feel like the catch can and the aluminum oil pan is a lot more worth it, like to get now rather than a 10. I mean, I could get the 10, but what's fun of building a vehicle so fast? I feel like you should take like steps. You know, don't rush. If you just bought a vehicle, or you know, you're trying to build your car, like don't rush into it, because you just want. Because I've done this before, rushing yourself to build a vehicle or like a car, you're just gonna stress yourself out. And that, like, I would like try to rush my, like this vehicle, like when I first got it, I was trying to get everything. All it did was stress me out. And there really is no fun either. Like you build a car in a week, in a month, there's no fun, you're done. So I feel like space it out. It makes you enjoy, I guess you could say it makes you enjoy like every little thing you do to the vehicle a lot more. You feel me? Like when I get that oil catch can, it's not gonna make me faster, it's not gonna do nothing, but it's something new to the vehicle. So at the moment, I'm gonna be like, wow, look at that, because I got a nice one. I got a ADDW one. There's a lot of oil catch cans, to be honest. They all do the same thing, but when I put that oil catch can in, after I put it in, I'm gonna be like, you know, it's not cool, it's not making no swooshing sounds, but I'm gonna still be wild because, you know, it's a new part of my vehicle. But then after a while, it dies down. You don't really like, it doesn't really amaze you no more. You open your hood, you see it right there. Oh, okay, look, it's right there. That's it, you know. But the first few times I open the hood, I'm like, wow, that looks so nice. You see what I'm saying? So build your vehicle over time. Don't stress yourself out. I used to do that. I still low-key kind of do, but I tell myself there's no rush in building a car. There's no rush. No rush at all. If you have other stuff that is, you know, important, prioritize. Is that a short bus or a long bus? Couldn't tell. It's probably middle school. It's 3:53. It's probably middle school kids. Ford Ranger. I learned how to drive manual in a Ford Ranger. It was my boss's car. I used to beat on those gears. It's not good, but that's what I had for lunch. No lie. Cheez-Its, and I brought some cookies. I get out pretty early. I get out at 3:30, so I don't really be too hungry. Sometimes I'll eat, like, if I'm starving, but a lot of the times I'll just wait till I get off and eat at home. So then on my lunchtime, I just really chill, you know? I kind of just, I'm a mechanic, so I have overalls. I put overalls on. Some people don't choose to put them on. I choose to put them on because, well, I don't want to dirty my car. I put them on, though, and on lunchtime, I just take them off. I got slides in the trunk. I put my slides on. I don't care, man. It's my lunch, you know, this is me time. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna not lay down, but you feel me, lay back. You know, I just come to my car, charge my phone a bit, just relax. I either take a nap, you know, maybe edit a video that I'm trying to upload, or, you know, just chill. If y'all know, man, I've been trying to look to, like, get custom headlights. There's no real, like, legit like, I don't know. They all look scammy websites. They all look like scammy websites. So I don't really know, like, any legit custom, like, place that does really, like, custom headlights like that for real. Anyway, I gotta get a highway POV side. That's where you can really cut up. No, it's not dangerous. It's not dangerous. You got space. I'm gonna probably do that. Maybe not next video, but soon. I'm gonna get a highway POV. Damn, bro. These people. Oh yeah, what I say? Look, Rock Auto. I got that oil pan. But basically, the Q50, it comes with a plastic oil pan, which makes no sense. I don't know why. Who in their right mind at Infiniti decided to put a plastic oil pan knowing the oil is gonna get real hot? Not only that, you know, you hit a bad hole, or you hit like something on the road, you know, you're gonna get a hole in your oil pan. Really dumb, but I definitely recommend when you get a Q50, definitely update. I don't know about the 3.7s. I think the older models or the 3. I haven't done too much research, but I know mine in specific has plastic oil pan. I think the older ones have like a regular aluminum one, but the newer ones they put plastic, I think. Because my cousin, he has a 3.7, but he said his is aluminum, so, and it's a 2015. So I'm gonna assume. Don't take my word for it, but I'm gonna assume the older ones are aluminum, the newer ones are plastic. I guess to just cut costs. Yep. If you got a 3.0T Q50, I definitely recommend an oil catch can. Really, I mean, realistically, any car could benefit off an oil catch can. But if you're getting like this car specifically, like there's like I say it's a need. I've definitely recommended it. Damn, bro, cut me off. I need to get in this lane. It'd mean a lot to me if y'all, you know, subscribe. A lot of people watch my videos, but they don't